Good day everybody. I would like to take a class on area of simple shapes. In this figure you see there is a table, there is a blackboard as well as a book. In reality we see them in different sizes. Now the question is how to calculate their areas. So we need a support to measure them. In this chapter, they are going to teach us how to select those shapes using graph sheets. First thing we should know what the graph sheet is all about. So this chapter which I am going to teach you, or the content what I am going to teach you, will have two parts. One, you will be learning how to measure the area, and you will be knowing how to use graph. Let us go here. In the above shape observed, the surface of table, blackboard and the book, among this, which is the biggest and which is the smallest shape. On what basis would you decide? The second shape, blackboard, is the biggest one, and the third shape, surface of book, is the smallest. What is the reason for this answer? Second shape occupies more space and third one occupies less space. What do you call the space or the region bounded by a shape? The textbook says this is called the area of the shape. The space or the region bound by a given closed figure is called its area. That means it's a simple theory that when I have to call something as an area, this shape should be closed. What if they are closed uniformly? That's what we are going to learn first in this class 4. Look at this picture. It says a unit of area. They have shown a graph sheet at the background, and they are going to teach us something called unit of area. Let me start the content from here. So what I am going to do is I am going to insert a picture of a graph on the screen, and let me lock this so that it should not move further. Now keep looking at this. What am I going to do is I am going to take a shape of a rectangle. See, look at this. I take here and I place it over there. The question is, I have placed this rectangle on graph sheet. Now, as I mentioned before, what is this graph sheet? The graph sheet what you are looking at there is of 1 centimeter units. That means I think I have a device here. Let me check for one second. I have a scale. I should have a scale here. Let me check. Okay, I will come back to that a little bit later, but what I am trying to tell you is, if I take this pencil and make a bracket over here, this bracket or this size is going to be 1 centimeter. So I take this 1 centimeter here and I place it over here. Exactly the same. I have one more. What is it? I take this 1 centimeter and I turn this way too. That means I create a square of this side, and let me take a square and fix it over here. See, when I fix this square here, I have its sides 1 centimeter both in horizontal as well as vertical. You know this. The second standard teacher would have taught you this as a square. Okay, how does this square referred in a graph? Now, you know the table, 1 ones are 1 only, 2 twos are 4, yeah, exactly the same. How does this occur? Because of a square. That means length into breadth is equal to the area of that particular figure. Now here in this case it's a square, and the name square comes here because it is length into length or side into side. That means centimeter into centimeter. I call it as square centimeter. See, this is the point I want to teach you in 4th standard. You are going to be introduced with multiple of two sides, which is centimeter into centimeter. I call it as square centimeter. So if it is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, you said 1 square centimeter. Then what about 2? If the sides are 2 centimeters, then I have to say 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter means 4 square centimeter. Okay, if it is 3, 3 into 3 is 9, and it is 9 square centimeter. Okay, now let us focus on this place here. See, I have, let me have this radian here. See, I have the first square filled, second square filled, the third square filled, then the fourth square, then the fifth square. Naturally this is going to be 6, this is going to be 7, this is going to be 8, this is going to be 9, and this is going to be the 10th. As I said before, you know what? What did I say? There is 2 centimeter in this case. Okay, I take this 2 centimeter here, and you know what? The 2 centimeter of this side. Okay, then what else I have? I have something here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I have 5 centimeter here. Look at this, I have 5 centimeter. So what happens here? 5 centimeter at this side. So, as I said before, how do you calculate now? 2 5s are 10. Centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter. So what happened here? The area of this given figure should have 2 5s are 10 square centimeter. Is it true? We will count and see again. Look at this. First, second. That is 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2. 5 2s are 10 square centimeter. This is what the textbook wants to teach you. Okay, let me go back to the textbook here. Now, if that is the case they are going to teach here, let me go back to this place. When the two measurements expressed in centimeters are multiplied, the unit of the product obtained is expressed in square centimeter. Didn't I tell you before? Now, let us go down to find the area using this model sum. Okay, what this model sum tries to teach us? I take this model sum along with this answer to my table here in the next page, and I'm going to place it. Okay, so what do we have? Once again, let me adjust them to my size. It's too big. Okay, let me come back to this one here. Okay, now let me lock this figure at this place and I start teaching you. Look at this picture. I have 1, 2, 3 moving upward, 1, 2, 3 moving right side, and 1, 2 coming down, and 1, 2 to the left, again 1 coming down. Look at this, how many squares are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As per the graph which I have told you, the area of the given figure should have 7 square centimeter. That's what? even this textbook tries to teach you. Similarly, let me go back to the textbook again. Let us choose this example in the exercise 1.3. Okay, let me take a snapshot of this part. Okay, and I'm going to take this to my place, and naturally let me have it of a smaller size. Okay, I have this figure here. Okay, once again. Okay, yeah. So in this figure, what am I going to teach you? On the graph sheet, given the area of each square is 1 square centimeter, find the area of the given shapes. So how do you start counting? Let me have what it is. For your kind knowledge, let me have some fixes. A, then B, no, I wanted it in a smaller size. Then I have C in the smaller size again. Then again, no, let me cut this all. I don't want this. I didn't like the way it works. So let me delete them. Let me point out here using this. I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and back to A. If I consider the area of this figure, I should start shading it first. So let me shade the first one, then the second one, then the third one, then the fourth one, and then the fifth one. So what am I supposed to write here? The area of the given figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? Square centimeter. There is a spelling mistake. Let me cut this and square with a space here. And that's it. So what am I having? Area of the given figure is 5 square centimeter. Shall we look at that one more? Okay. Let me go to this, the biggest sum again. Okay. Let us take this as well as this. In the single shot, we'll go to the next page. And let me fix it here. Okay. And let me make this smaller in size, so it should be visible to everybody. Okay. Let me put it back again. Come on, children. Now you start counting this. What do you have in these? Okay, let me have this pointer again, but this time with what? Okay, let me have this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, I have here, you know what? 21 square centimeter. Oh my goodness. Let me have this in a smaller size. 21 square centimeters in this figure. Now let me check the next one. Okay, this time I'll put a star. Okay, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yeah, this one has 20 square centimeter. Again, I don't want a bigger size. Let me have it in the smaller size, which is 14, and I place this 20 square centimeter over here, and that's how the area of these figures will be calculated. Let me check if it is any other thing that can be taught to you, and at this moment I have only these shapes to teach you, and there I put an end for this chapter. Thank you very much.